Okay, well, I've got the fan going just to dry things out. I'm going to pack away my tools now, maybe have a little bit of lunch. Even though it's not lunchtime, but I've got 3/4 of an hour to fill in. So I'll put away my tools and yeah, have a bite to eat, and then I'll come back in Silicone and I'll show you how I do that. I do it with these little suckers, the paddle pop stick, we call it on the Gold Coast in Australia, paddle pop stick. Okay, all right, I'm about to Silicone. I'll show you how it's done. The easy way. Right at the top. And I always go a little bit along the bottom. Like that. I hope you can see me. And then give it a spray. Now with my paddle pop stick, and this sucker, well then you don't, it's an old silicone tube. Best ever. You know, look at that, no brainer. And then you just throw it out when it's full. No mess, Charlie. These paddle pop sticks, I buy them by the packet, probably, I don't know, 100 at a time, just a couple of dollars. Just a little bit down there to make my corner nice.